The song that I wrote started as like a rough idea, like in my journal, just like this completely like isolated thing that I was just working on by myself. And now like all these amazing artists and musicians and like everybody's treating it like a legitimate thing. And it's just like so surreal seeing like this whole project like come to life.
I was so shocked by the things I discovered from working with my singers and the insights they had on my song.
I think the whole concept of being able to be in the room and having that real-time audio was genius.
Being able to just work with so many amazing, talented artists, and they were just so supportive, and they treated us not only as young adults, but as professionals, and that was so cool.
Getting to hear my song sung by someone else, it just blew my mind.
It's totally like you raised a baby and then got to watch it grow.
I'm not only speaking like English in the song, there's Olelo in there. And I was terrified. I was like, what if they veto it because it's not entirely English? And when I got through, I was just so proud that I could bring my culture and bring my people and the things I truly care about with me.
This is family forever, and I couldn't be more grateful for this experience.
I can't really thank you all enough. It's been a life-changing experience, so thank you so much.
This is probably the most crazy thing that's happened to me in my life.
Again, thank you to everybody who's been a part of the process. It still doesn't feel real. When I got the email, I was in the top 40. I screamed until I lost my voice, actually, though.
It's been surreal.
Like, it's just so cool.